Do you want to make rich, buttery shortbread with cranberries and white chocolate? Because we're baking that right now. Welcome back to the Baker's Journey. If you aspire to learn how to bake, and you want to truly master the art of baking, then subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss anything. So continuing on with the shortbread season, we want to learn how to make shortbread and learn how to make short doughs, and we're going to do some variations of making short doughs, and one of them is adding flavoring to your short dough. So this can be challenging in a way that adding that liquid flavoring to your shortbread can actually toughen your dough, and that's not what we want. We don't want a tough shortbread, we want a nice tender cookie. And by adding this flavoring, as we learned in previous videos when making breads, is when we add liquid to our dough, we develop gluten. And when we learned how to make shortbread in our previous video, we learned that we don't really want to develop gluten with cookies. So the same with our previous recipe. We didn't want to overwork our dough. And you're never going to fail with this recipe as long as you keep in mind and just keep that thought that you don't want to overwork that dough. So today we're going to make cranberry white chocolate shortbread, and I hope you enjoy this recipe. So thanks again for tuning into A Baker's Journey. It was a lot of fun today, using the previous recipe that we learned to make cranberry white chocolate shortbread, and learning some techniques when introducing flavorings to our shortbreads, and also having fun with drizzling white chocolate and garnishing our shortbread with white chocolate drizzle. If you like The Baker's Journey and you like the content that we provide, subscribe and hit the bell. We also have an email subscription list, and if you're interested in that, you'll get a free copy of my teaser book, 5 40-minute muffins. And I'll leave the link for this in the description below. You guys have an amazing day.